I think it's about 15 minutes left to the end of 2019 and into a new decade. Everyone's lighting fireworks. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Korrabel, and this is unprecedented times. A lot is happening right now. But we're gonna drive and hopefully feel better. Sorry about this angle. Take over control. Take over control. Obviously, everyone knows what's going on. And I just want to say, who expected this? Let's do this. At the beginning of 2020, I was sitting on a rooftop in Chennai, India, thinking of all the adventures that we're gonna have in 2020. Take over control. Take over control. Where we're gonna go, what we're gonna do, what we're gonna see. And guess what? Ah! Sorry guys. I think I have to turn you off. We're in the same place. Now things flipped. Now when we go outside, we have to wear masks, and we only can go outside for essential stuff. But you already knew that. Hospitals have limited ventilators and PPE supplies, and the curve has yet to be flattened here in the US. Healthcare workers are working the front line to save those that tested positive. To them, I say thank you wholeheartedly. Thank you to the doctors and researchers for creating vaccines. Thank you to the essential workers providing us with food and delivering our mail. You are all greatly appreciated. I also want to recognize those large companies and manufacturers for using their resources to create PPE for healthcare workers, and those like software companies giving away their software for free during this time. In addition to the large companies out there that are doing their part to help with the COVID-19 situation, I have friends that are also doing their part. One of them is Jagan. He has a software background, and he created an app called CovidHunter.
So my name is Jagan, and I am from India. I moved to the US in 2016. So I have a background in software engineering, and now I am a product manager. I'm working on a mobile app for coronavirus. I think it's more for contact tracing and symptoms management. And you can also add symptoms through this app, where you can manage and learn about more symptoms from WHO. There's also information site like Twitter, wordometer count that you get, and also WHO website, all in one app. Yeah, it's easy to sign up, and it's now in beta. So by the time, I don't know when people will be watching this, but it should be in Android App Store. The purpose of this application is for my mom and dad to use, so that I can have a record of people they are meeting, so that I know where they're going, so that I can ask them to stay safe and don't put yourself in risk unnecessarily. This is not a business opportunity that I'm looking into. This is just you can call it a hobby that I'm doing, just to help the community and non-profit oriented. And I don't think there's no possibility to make money with this application, but if I make, my plan is to give it to the people in need. So Android application is something that I'm comfortable with, but it doesn't have to be something like this. You can also make a mask for people around you, or you can go out and buy groceries for somebody who is old in your apartment. But anything that you do, all we have to make sure is that we don't make things worse by keeping ourselves safe and following the protocol and trying to help the community in any ways can possibly do.
For more information about CovidHunter, please visit wecall.app.
Another one of my friends that is helping out during this time is Andrew. Andrew is a robotics engineer and founder of Lumika 3D, which is a 3D printing company that helps design and manufactures products for people. Now, because he has resources from Lumika 3D, his company is donating their resources and their time to creating PPE for healthcare workers. His company, and people from his hometown are all helping with an initiative that he started called Provide Our Heroes. Provide Our Heroes provides PPE for healthcare workers. His mom is a nurse and he has a bunch of 3D printers, so it just made sense for him. And he just really wants to do his part. Provide Our Heroes is currently producing 150 face shields per day and donating them to hospitals, healthcare workers across the country. Although they're making 150 to 200 face shields per day, their demands for the face shields have increased to the thousands. To learn more about Andrew's initiative and Provide Our Heroes, I'm going to put their website and Instagram information in the description below, and you can also follow them here somewhere. Thank you to everyone that's doing their part, whether you're creating face masks, you're creating apps, or you're just doing your due diligence and reading more about the virus and making sure that fake news is not being spread. Thank you.
So everyone is in this fight, and staying home is definitely a way to fight this. But anything you can do by not putting yourself in risk is something that you can do to the community.
And I want to thank you so much for staying to the very end. And yeah, hopefully this inspired you and gave you some hope in humanity. I know for me it sure did. So thank you to all my friends for doing this. Bye guys. Take care. You're beautiful. Have a blessed day.